Mabuhay Rapiseño! Welcome to Rojas City, the seafood capital of the Philippines. We are here to take on you on a journey to rich culture, breathtaking views and flavor. You only taste at Capiz. Join us to explore the heart of Capiz and discover why this city is one of the most charming destinations in the region. Dali na mga Kapiseño!
Dala na ang inyong pamilya at barkada.
Kilalahon naton liwat ang katahog.
Sa aton kagalingon nga probinsya.
Suportahan naton ang turismo sa atong lugar.
I-enjoy natin ang Rojas City, ang syudad na punong sang katahog, kalipay at kinasadya. Dali na ang diri sa probinsya sa Capiz. Mabuhay Kapiseño! I am Master Vylon, your tourist guide for that destination. Welcome to our first destination. Discover the heart of Capiz at the Rojas City capital, where progress, culture, and community come together, a landmark of pride, service, and brighter future for every Capiznon. For the second destination, I am tourist guide Mr. Scala. Welcome to Rojas City Bridge. Experience the seamless connection of Rojas City Bridge, enhancing mobility, supporting local development, and providing a safe and efficient route for residents and visitors alike.
For the third destination, I am your tourist guide, Mr. Villa. Welcome to the Manuel Rojas statue. The statue honors Manuel Rojas, the first president of Philippines Republic, who helped lead the fight for Philippines independence. Capiz was later renamed Rojas City to honor him.
For our fourth destination, I am your tourist guide, Mr. Dacito. Welcome to the Manuel Rojas Ancestral House. Step into the birthplace of the first Philippines president. Discover story, heritage, timeline, stories at the Manuel Rojas Ancestral House, where the legacy of Capiz proudly lives on.
Step inside the iconic white water tank turned museum and explore the rich history, culture, and heritage of Rojas City. From the antique artifacts and traditional crafts to stories of the Capiceños, vibrant past. Every corner of the museum brings our heritage to life. The structure that housed Panoblian Museum was originally built in 1910 as a circular water tank by Pastor, the town mayor of Capiz, to provide water to the people during dry season. After the war, offices were built around it, and the tank was hidden from view for decades. In 1993, after those offices were demolished, the water tank was rediscovered. Instead of tearing it down, it was repurposed into museum by the city, renaming it Panoblion, a Hiligaynon word meaning guardian of the precious things. Whether you're a student, traveler, or local history lover, Panobliones Museum offers an inspiring through time. Visit us today and celebrate on this treasure of the Capiz, where a piece tells the story.
For our sixth destination, I'm Miss Monteverde, your tourist guide. Welcome! I'm here at the Immaculate Conception Cathedral, the oldest church at the Roa City, Capiz.
The Immaculate Conception Metropolitan Cathedral stands at the heart of Roa City. Its bells call people to prayer, reminding the community of faith, hope, and tradition passed on through generations and Capiz.
Mabuhay! Welcome to 7th Destination. I am Master Vylon.
And I am Mr. Villa.
Your tourist guide for destination. Now, we are here at People's Park, one of the most beautiful places here at Roa City, Capiz.
Welcome to People's Park in Roa City. People's Park in Roa City is a relaxing, family-friendly place along the seashore, featuring an iconic fountain. Fun activities for kids, scenic views, and a beautiful sunset, making it a perfect spot to unwind and create memorable moments.
Welcome to Kainan Village, our 8th destination.
We are welcoming you to a vibrant food haven where the best of Capiceños flavors comes alive. Here, every dish tells a story of local culture, tradition, and homegrown taste. From savory favorites to comforting meals, Kainan Village is the perfect place to relax, enjoy, and share good food with family and friends.
Dali na, kagdilawan nato ng mga namit kapag kaon diri sa syudad sa Roa City.
Ari na atong pagkaon sa Kainan Village. Indulge in our warm, mouth-watering seafood favorites that will surely satisfy your cravings. Here's is the sinigang hipon. Maasim-asim kag sabaw pa lang, panalo na. Puno sang presko nga hipon nga namigid pang pamilya. So ari pagid ang aton nga steam talaba. Presko, humok kag natural ang sabor sang dagat sa kada kuha. May ari pagid kita sang squid sisig. Crispy sa gwa, humok sa sulod kag sakto lang ang pagkaasim kag pagkaanghang. Sa ari lang last naton nga fried bangus. Ginprito nga taman kag lutong perfect upod sa init nga kanon. So dali na kamo diri sa Kainan Village kag magkaon sa manamit nga pagkaon.
I'm here at Colegio de la Purísima Concepcion, our last destination, and I'm your tourist guide, Miss Christine. We shape minds, build character, and inspire hearts. Discover a community that empowers learners to grow in faith, excellence, and leadership. Be a Purisimian, be future ready.